Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is about 1:45 p.m. on Monday, June 9th. Oh, I'm trying to run back a few months. Tired, got a headache. Uh, been digging through these and getting them mostly emptied out. Uh, the one below it, the big one here below it, completely empty. And I'm thinking I need another piece of luggage. And then I'm also thinking I need another piece of luggage, like I need another hole in my head. Yeah. It's a question of weight, mostly. I want a extra piece of luggage because that would let me drop the weight down on two pieces, hopefully being able to keep them under the limit. Hopefully. But then the cost of an extra piece of luggage. Do I pay for overweight bags and just eat the cost on that? Or do I spend more on an extra piece of luggage, which, if I remember right, was like $200 for the third checked baggage? I don't know. Yeah. And having run through and found a whole bunch of other stuff and got rid of a bunch of stuff, I emptied out a bag of trash, big, a big one, or I shouldn't say emptied out. I filled up, and now I get to carry it out and throw it in the dumpster. So yay! And then I look in there in the bag as I was sealing it up, and I'm like, why did I save that? Yeah, I've been through there before. Oh well. And then I got a whole I got a whole nother bunch of paperwork. It's like, okay, I had a bankruptcy a few years ago, and I've got papers from that. And you're supposed to keep those kind of things for, what is it, 5, 7, or 10 years? I don't remember. And yeah, if it's 5, I'm almost at the limit. If it's 7, I'm close. If it's 10, well, I probably need to hold on to those for a few more. Just be on the safe side. I don't know. It is what it is. And I went through and ran across a few more birthday cards and Christmas cards from this, that, and the other. A anniversary invitation from my great aunt, uh, my grandmother on my dad's side sister. Hey, and yeah, fell off into that spot and thought about it for a while. There's so much to be thinking about. That's probably why I have a bit of a headache. That, and I've been up and running around. If I'd been wearing my watch, it'd probably been cheering me on for exercise. I, but yes, I'm trying to get it figured out, and hell, I even went so far as I found a pouch that had my another one of my backup batteries in it. And this is the one that's got some heavy duty power. used to carry it a lot more often. Then I tried to, get down to a smaller. Oy, well, that was good. Down to a smaller pack because, yeah, heavy duty batteries. And get that taken care of. And I don't know about you, but between paperwork and finding this, that, and the other, and I lost a pair of translation earbuds. They don't work as hearing aids. And so I stuck them in there, and yeah. So I'll be able to stick one in one side and try to translate with it, keep my hearing aid in the other side, and I don't know, bounce back and forth between them. I don't know. It'll help me in understanding what's being said around me so I can carry on a better conversation. We'll see. But I found them. I now know where they went. That's the horrible thing. It's like I got so much stuff. I usually know where pretty much everything is. Now I have very little of a clue. I've got so much stuff thrown all over the place, I don't know for sure about anything. I'm not even sure that my phone's in front of me and I'm holding it. One of them. Yeah. And that's something else. I've been going through and realizing like the MacBook Air, I got it. I still got the box for it. I'm not going to send it back. I actually like it and I'm getting used to it. So it's not going back. But I still have the box for it. Not anymore. Why did I hold it for a month? I don't know. Yeah. And I got other boxes. Anyway, uh, trying to decide whether to go ahead and buy that other suitcase. If I do, I can put one that has nothing but it's one of those expandable zippered ones. I don't really much care for those. Uh, I can use one of those, downgrade it to leaving it here with my paperwork for bankruptcy and all that other stuff that I don't need, and can just put it over there and say, "Here, Aunt Cat. In 5 years, if it hasn't, if I haven't called saying I need it, you can throw it in the burner, throw it in the trash can, or empty it out and keep the suitcase." Uh, yeah, I don't know. But I do need to get rid of some things, and I'm finding more and more stuff to get rid of. And yay. Uh, yeah, it's like I was running through my head and what little I've actually got quite a lot out, and my house very much is feeling hollow. Guess that's a good thing. Found something for, I shipped over to my Aunt Cat for my nephew, and I also got something I'm going to be giving to my niece. I think I'm going to give it to her. Uh, it's, yeah, I think she'll like that. Uh, Another part of me says, no, give it to John Mark's wife. But no, he's got something for her already. So I don't know. Oh, wait. Anyway, Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Fish is gone.